Thank you for joining us on Atmos Center today. I'm Austin. Getting into your headlines, as I'm sure many of you are already aware, it's pretty cool out there and it's pretty cloudy out there as well today. Otherwise, though, it's actually going to be kind of nice. It may even get to 60 degrees. Tonight, though, we may be seeing some showers and into tomorrow as well. We're looking at that here in a minute. Right now, at our live cam out at Fairhope Pier, you can see the clouds out there are hanging around, but otherwise, it's relatively nice out there. Nothing really to talk about. And again, on the visible satellite, you can see. Now, this is interesting. You can see about when sunrise is, because looks like there's nothing, and then suddenly, boom, there's clouds everywhere. That's actually not, the case. It was just sunrise. But you can see again, we have clouds generally in our entire vicinity, and more off to the west, it'll be coming in this way. That'll keep it cloudy for the next several days. Looking at the regional radar, again, now this is on infrared satellite, which doesn't necessarily need the sun, but it can't pick up the clouds that are a little bit lower until the sun actually rises. So you can see those kind of pop up again, but otherwise it's just generally cloudy, especially off to the west, which will continue to push into our area and, again, keep the clouds around for the next several days. And now looking at that, on our high-res futurecast, you can see cloudy, cloudy, more clouds. Oh, look, and then some actual storms begin, or rain, rather, I should say, pops up. These are some just showers that you may be seeing over the next couple of days. Tomorrow morning, they should be beginning tonight around 10 o'clock, and then can persist up into tomorrow morning. And then a little bit later on tomorrow, you can begin to see this cold front that begins to approach our area. This is around 5 o'clock tomorrow afternoon into the evening, and that'll be reaching us about 9 o'clock tomorrow, as we'll see here. So again, this cold front will reach, and then we'll actually be seeing some real rain. Nothing heavy, nothing very severe like we saw this past week, but it will be some notable rain. Now then, talking about this cold front, you can clearly see it here on our temperatures right here going through the middle of Texas, as you had a 60 degree in Dallas and then 38 in Lubbock. So that would be that cold front that's, again, moving into our area. Here it is on the future view. You can see it pushing in through Louisiana and Arkansas, coming into our area. Look around tomorrow morning about 8 o'clock. You can see the rain associated with it. It's now through Mississippi and Alabama, and it'll continue to push through into our area. As you can see here, now we have the rain as the cold front's already pushed through, but the rain will persist and linger on for the next 2 days or so. It should be leaving out about Wednesday morning. Now, for today's planner, you'll see it's going to be about 56 degrees around noon, which is pretty nice. Around 3 o'clock today, we'll be seeing about 60 degrees or so, which will be really, really nice. Get out there and enjoy it while you can before the rain gets here later today. And then tonight again, for those of you that don't see any of the rain, it'll be around in the mid-50s. Once the rain actually gets here, it may cool off a little bit more, so you might see a little bit cooler temperatures locally. Otherwise, it should be in the mid-50s tonight. Now, going to your student center, we have hip-hop night tomorrow night in the ballroom. It'll be about 53 degrees of that. That is featuring Eternity. And then we have a movie night the next night, The Scout's Guide to the Zombie Apocalypse, also in the ballroom. It's going to be a little bit cooler, again, with that cold front coming through. That's at 7 o'clock in the ballroom. And then lastly, we have the Royal Ball, and that's going to be Friday night in the ballroom as well. It'll be about 55 degrees. Now then, tonight again, it's going to be cool in the low 50s, some possible showers. Tomorrow morning, maybe seeing some fog as well. Also, that could be starting tonight. So be aware of that if you're driving, especially along the Bayway. It's going to be a little bit foggy out there, so just keep that in mind. Otherwise, some southwest winds, mostly cloudy. Tomorrow, it's going to be about 65 degrees, which will be nice. And you could enjoy that through the day until the showers get here later in the afternoon into the evening. Again, PM rain, though, that's when that cold front's going to get here, and we'll be seeing some decent rain. Nothing, again, too major. About 61 degrees again today. Tomorrow, about 65. Look at the rest of your week, though. Once that cold front starts to push through, yes, there is a rain chance, mostly early in the morning on Wednesday. But once that pushes through, you're going to actually be seeing a little bit cooler temperatures for 2 days. Nothing too bad. And then the 60s begin to actually show up, and the sun comes back out again. And otherwise, it looks absolutely beautiful for the rest of your week. And we would love it if you would like us on Facebook or follow us on Twitter. And then thank you to our sponsors. Without this, it would not be possible. Again, I'm Austin, and thank you for watching.